picture of that? It has a
Just
meaning.
in the shop, so it doesn't mean anything.
And what's the one in the middle?
Just gift for. I mean, like she gave to me.
Like the picture in the middle?
Yeah. The middle.
Because you know the three pictures.
Yeah.
On the left side, it looks like.
She.
Oh,
She.
I thought you gave her
No,
something, but
she
she's
gave me.
giving you something.
Yeah.
And the second picture?
Nothing. It's kind of like a traditional life before.
Okay. And the third one?
I just park here. See ya.
Okay. So it doesn't have a meaning. I thought maybe it's like, you know, in Western culture they do like, oh, I want to marry you, and then, it's kind of like a promise. And from that on, it's like 1 year, 1.5, 2 years until they marry.
No.
But that date is like, hey, I want to marry you. And I thought maybe it said it's kind
No,
of a
we
promise.
took this photo 2 years ago.
All right,
So
all right, all
it's
right.
quite long. It's
Okay.
around 2022.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, so it doesn't mean anything. Just the acting.
Okay.
是，
I feel very good in it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it feels very good.
哎。